What's up, bruh? What's up, bruh?
Owner and director of LAG.
What's up?
What you think, guys?
What's up? Good morning. I mean, good afternoon. I mean, good evening.
What's going on, guys?
Just got here, you know.
Right? I was vlogging. I'm about to take this little Type R on a little test drive.
For real?
Yeah.
Why would y'all do to it?
Redid the look nuts.
Yeah? Except that one. Hey. What's going on, buddy boy? That's pollo right there.
It's really smooth.
We should do DDE style.
Should we?
Yeah, burnout. No, I'm just kidding.
In the new F-Type.
Yeah. Woo! Whoa! That shit sound good. Yeah, but so today is the day that I learned how to wheelie on my bike.
Really?
No, I'm just kidding. But
what's going on, guys? We're in the F-Type right now. We're gonna see how good it does if this red light would ever turn green. So guys,
this guy is recording on his phone.
Leave a comment.
Leave a
If
comment.
you like.
Subscribe. Click and subscribe the video. So the pickup in this car is really good. The throttle response was like bang instantly. Ooh, man! Yeah. I like it. I like it. I like it, bro. And like a little up. How fast?
160.
We just went 160. So we just went 160 miles an hour in this F-Type, and it didn't even feel like it. It felt so smooth. It rode so good.
Like this.
Look at the seats, man.
60 roll.
Oh, man. Is that just stock exhaust? That V10 power, huh? That V10 power.
Supercharged.
It's supercharged as well. So it's a V10 supercharged.
Man, it shakes a little bit though.
For real?
Yeah.
Like a bad shake?
Not really, but not a good one.
Yeah. This thing is sick, guys. The seats and everything, it's really comfortable actually. And then the sunroof itself, this car is for me. I want it. I'm gonna buy it one day. But bro, you want to give it a rev, Brandon?
Dyno day, dyno night.
Dyno day,
Three
dyno
pulls,
night.
$75, up to 1 hour with cars that have tuning capabilities. We're here to make horsepower, not excuses.
Sunday, dyno night. Dyno day, dyno night. What's up, Lewis?
What's up, bro?
This is a Camaro rear end. Rear end. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna be hurting a lot of people's feelings.
Work hard, man. Working hard. That's it.
You're gonna hurt a lot of people's feelings. What you got going on, bro? What you doing? Huh?
Racing.
What are you thinking?
Way out.
Yeah. What's the plan for this car, Foil? Make it fast? That's the goal. To make this car fast and
I'm lame, blind, and crazy, blessed, and 6 foot above ground.